Yes, dear students, let us take our next question, which is very interesting question. That is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta, or you can read 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, anything you can say. This is very interesting question. So we have to take the LHS part and we have to get, by solving all the steps, then we have to get the final step is that should be 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So let's get started. The step number 1 for this, first we will write cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is at left hand side area, so we will take left hand side here. We will write here LHS. LHS means left hand side. So if you remember, we have two very beautiful formulas, that is cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. This is one formula. And the second, cot theta, also we have cot theta equals to, we can write sin theta. Here we can write cos theta upon sin theta, or cos theta divided by sin theta. So this, let me put first this in the rectangular box, because this is just reference. So this should come in the side area or in the rough area. So these two formulae we will substitute in our main question. So in place of cosec theta, we will write 1 by sin theta, 1 divided by sin theta. Here is what the sign is here, minus, negative sign. So we'll put minus. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. In our earlier videos, we have already mentioned this, all the formulas and the trigonometry table. Please go and check that. Since here it is bracket, so bracket, here is square, so square, no change. Now if I take the LCM of these two, will be sin theta. If this sin theta, I divide this with this sin theta, I will get only 1. So that one we will multiply this with this one. So 1 once 1. Here is what? Minus, negative sign. So I will put negative sign. Then this sin theta, when divided by sin theta, again we will get 1. And that one we will multiply with cos theta. So here it will be cos theta. And here it is whole square. So I will put whole square. Since you have read, I will write the formula for you. There is one formula I will write for your reference. If it is a by b whole power m, it means a power m divided by b power m. So what I will do, based on this formula, let me put this first in the rectangle box. So what I will do, I will separate this numerator and also the denominator. So I will do 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by, here what? Sin square theta. Here I will write one more formula. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. This is trigonometric formula. Right? So here I will write the numerator part as it is. I will write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Then in place of sine square theta, I will write 1 minus cos square theta. Here I will continue this step. Here numerator part I will write as it is, 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by r upon r over, you can write 1 minus cos square theta. It is in the form of a square minus b square. We can write this a minus b into a plus b. So I will write here 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So for your reference, I will write here also the formula. A square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b, which you have already studied in the 7th grade. Now this I will cover with the rectangular box again. So whatever we have in rectangular box, that is reference for you, formula. Now from here you can note this one thing, you can observe 1 minus cos theta whole square and 1 minus cos theta here. 1 minus cos theta and 1 from here gets cancelled. So remaining will be what? In the numerator only 1 minus cos theta, and in the denominator part 1 plus cos theta, right, which is your RHS. So this is equal to RHS. This is your solution.